Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own non-profit in Virginia. This is a step-by-step guide and I'm going to show you what I believe is the most effective, fast and secure way how you can start a non-profit. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. The first thing that you want to do is just easily scroll down below to the description of this video and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help you start your own non-profit in Virginia. And here you want to click Start My Business. Here you want to choose a non-profit and then state of formation. You want to find Virginia right here. And then you're going to have three packages here. So as you can see, you're going to have the silver, gold and platinum. My recommendation is going with the middle way. Yes, with the silver you're going to have the basics as preparing, filling the articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But with the gold package you're going to have everything with unlimited name searches, corporation bylaws, business tax consultation, unlimited phone email support, IRS form, so everything with the gold. And then with the platinum you're going to have free bonuses. So if you need business contract templates or expedited filling, so your non-profit will be filled faster in domain name, business email, you can go simple with a platinum version and you're not going to make a mistake. But it's a $100 more expensive. You can do it if you don't want to. I will choose the gold package now, and then I'm going to have first name, last name, email. So I'll go Marcus, Tonelius, email address, and then I'm going to also add a phone number here. Then you're going to add a street address, city, state, what is the mailing address here, and zip code. And then you're going to press next here. Now, should your nonprofit corporation have members? And you will see most small nonprofits elect not to have a formal membership structure and thus avoid documenting and maintaining membership roles, as well as avoiding the time and expense of having the members vote on directors and other major corporate decisions. So this is something that I also recommend, having like the nonprofit will not have members, so you're not going to have too much administration. And then you're going to find the general purpose of nonprofit, so you can have religious corporation or public benefit corporation here. Then you would press next again, and then you're going to have the state filling time. So you can go with the 5 business days, which is going to be $50 here, or 3 weeks. If you choose the gold package, you can have the option here, and then you can simply press next. How fast you can have your nonprofit. Then you're going to choose the company name. So nonprofit name, I'm going to have Marcus Marketing, and the designator is going to be, let's say, Incorporated. So I'm gonna see the nonprofit name, Marcus Marketing, Incorporated, number of directors, let's say it's going to be 1. I'm going to be alone. And let's say I'm going to provide like guidance for small business owners. So marketing services for small business owners. And then you're gonna have the industry keyword. And let's say I'm going to write it marketing. So let's say you would write there children, and then you would find, like, let's say a school, industry. Company address information here, and you can use your own address or professional business address. So when you're going to choose the professional business address, you would maintain privacy by using a commercial address here, or you can use your own. Then again, you would choose the company address and press next here. Then you can have the premium service packages, so you can simply upgrade to premium service and have a business contract templates and domain name, business email address. But if you don't want to have it, click no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. Then you have to add directors here. And then you're gonna have the president, CEO, secretary. If you're alone, you would choose like everywhere yourself or other person here. And then you're going to have option for the vice president. Then you would simply press next here. And then you're going to find the registered agent information. So here with the Incfile, Incfile is going to offer you the registered agent completely for free for the first year. And that's something that I would recommend also for you. or you can act as your own registered agent. Like, you got it for free for the first year. Why not use Incfile? Up to you, but I would recommending with Incfile. Then you would press next here. Then you're gonna have the tax identification number. So where you would simply add your first name, last name, then SSN number. So Incfile will apply and obtain your employer identification number from the IRS electronically. Then physical street address here, and then you would press next. Now you're gonna have the setting up small business banking, so you can simply start and have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. And then you would press next again. And then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation, so that yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. That's something that I definitely recommend for you to have, that someone from Incfile will like write to you, and then you would have your own consultation. Then you would press next again here, and then you're gonna have the review order. So with the review order, you would understand like everything here: the contact, the agent, the company, director, officer info, all the information that you need. And then you would simply press next here. And then the last step is a billing information, where you would simply add a first name, last name, street address, card number, and you would have it all here. So when you're gonna fill everything up, then you would just click here, complete and pay, and this is how you can easily start your own nonprofit in Virginia. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. This is a tutorial on how you can start your own LLC in Virginia. Goodbye.